seats are crazy.
I know. Did you see the map on the seats? Yes, there's a map.
Is that how you get to your house?
Okay, guys, so we have this M5 CS legendary car. This car is hard to find. It's really hard to find. This is the BMW's legendary car, the CS. Okay, so this car, they say 635 horsepower, 2.9 seconds. There's people in Russia, they did 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds. There's few things I don't like on this car. The seats, the size. I think they should make like medium, large, or extra large. They kind of made a medium seats only. The seats look beautiful. It's like amazing seats. But the comfort, the sides comfort, it's... If you're over 200 pounds, you cannot drive this car. That's one issue. Second problem I don't like, they put a Harman Kardon speakers. They should use a Bauer and Wilkins sound system. So they say Bauer and Wilkins sound system is more heavier than the Harman. So the reason why they changed the seats, because this one is more lighter than the one I have. Let's see what this car can do. Let's see. I don't know, it's hard to push this car 2.9 seconds, but there is a way to push this car in 2.9 seconds. But how, we're gonna have to find out. Is it because of the road, or is it because of you have to have full gas, or there's gonna be more than one people in the car? There's a catch, but there is a way we can push this 2.9 seconds. It's interesting. Steering wheel, it's my favorite. This is like one of a kind steering wheel. I'm gonna change my steering wheel. This is so much better than mine. Yeah, we can't. There's 360 miles braking, so I'm not gonna do anything wrong because you have to do a braking on this car. So yeah, we cannot launch the car. It is fun to drive.
It doesn't feel like your car?
Yeah, everything is the same. The only thing is the takeoff point. That's the only thing. Car and everything feels the same. Everything feels the same. It's nothing different. I was just trying to push those 2.9 seconds 0 to 60, but we can because the car has a braking service 360 miles. So yeah. I don't like this either. I don't know why. They made it like the carbon fiber, like one piece half. I look at mine, it goes all the way.
So your car's better.
There's things, yes. The color on this is sick, but I'm like more like white. I will get a matte white. Everything is the same. I have the same spoiler, trunk spoiler, same carbon fiber. I still have that carbon fiber. This car doesn't have it. Oh, the hood is sick. Let me show you the hood. This is a sick hood. I don't have this. This is sick. So my favorite thing is the hood and the steering wheel. I hate the two-tone color, bro. This wheel, gold color, I hate it. Like two-tone, goofy stuff. Look at the grill, right? It's the same grill. Mine is black, but they make this one gold. I don't like that. But the hood and the steering wheel is the best. That would be like a good option for my car, but I can't. It's a really like awesome car. Like for collectibles, this is one of a kind. I think this is gonna be a legendary M5. They say this is the last M5 is gonna be V8. After this, it's gonna be V6 with a hybrid.
That'd be fast.
Yeah, but this is gonna be the like last legendary M5 V8. That's why I want to keep mine, because that's gonna be the last V8. And this car has a ceramic brake. I don't have it.
Brakes are huge.
Yeah, it's like a $9,500 extra. The only messed up thing on this car, if you get in a car accident, there is no painter can match this color. Oh, they're gonna have an issue. Make sure, guys, you guys don't get in an accident. If you guys do, there is no one can match this color.
Not even RGB?
Not even RGB. When I went to buy my car, there was a CS was there. The guy told me like, if you pay like $200 more, you will have this car. And I told him, okay, let me drive both cars. So I drove both cars. I love this car. This is awesome. but the comfort, my seats are more comfort than this one. Because of the seats, I sold my E63S and the M8, BMW 850. The E63S had the same seats. That was the only reason I sold the E63S. Seat is not comfortable. It's a legendary car. If I had extra money, I will buy it and keep it.
Well, you said it was $200 more at least.
Yeah, but I didn't purchase because of the seats.
Yeah.
Because I drove this car.
So you could have got it.
Yeah, I had an option. The guy told me like, you can get this car like $200 more because that $200 was like over sticker. I drove both cars. I liked mine because I drive mine every day and I drive crazy. See, I have this carbon fiber. The car doesn't have this. I have this carbon fiber. The carbon fiber package, it's close to like 34,000. And look at my spoiler. Go out there, other side, so you will see better. I like this one better than the on the CS. This is like more nicer than the CS. I have the comfort seat. Let me show you. This is one of the reasons I got this car because of the seats. These seats are crazy. Like comfort seat, you can break in, and the sound system. Just the only sound system like $4,500.
Really?
Yeah, 4,500. That was the reason only I got this car.
I know, but you have to respect people. You can't just be disrespectful to everybody you see.
I'm not saying disrespect. The guy has to wash the car.
Okay, let him wash the car. Who's
We're on-
stopping him?
This is my favorite car wash. He's my favorite car wash.
This is my favorite car wash.
His car wash name is RDB Sarkis.
The lucky bastards.
Hey!
Damn it, I was missed.
You see what they do to me at work?
Oh, come on. You guys don't see what he does to us when the camera's off.
You guys saw that? Do you see what he's doing?
What did you do to me the other day?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Nothing. I made you a cup of coffee.
No, I don't drink coffee. And then also he calls the metaverse Madagascar.
Baby won't sit, she can sit. Baby says lit, it's lit. Got your bank account in a queue. She said it loud, it's the truth. Baby wanna ride, she can ride. Baby needs some time, she got time. Got your bank account in a queue. She can make it count, how about you? She would put you in the bag. She a magnet. They should let her name a planet.
So what's up guys? We have a 2021 765 long tail Satin Pearl White. This is one of my favorite color. This car is crazy. This is 2.7 seconds, 0 to 60. It's 755 horsepower, better than the 720S. And this car is one of the craziest Mclaren they have so far. So 765 long tail means 765 LT. A lot of people don't know about that. LT stands for long tail and it's higher performance. We did a wrap on this vehicle, Satin Pearl White, and then we did a few blackout. So car looks white and black. We're gonna drop this vehicle and put RDB wheels. So in the next episode, you guys are gonna see this vehicle with new wheels and gonna lower the car. It's gonna be one of the craziest 765 out there. So tell me what you guys think about this 765, how it looks like. So far it's stock, just only we did a wrap, white and black, few blackout, and soon it's coming out with the wheels and gonna be dropped. So tell me what you guys think about this car, and if you guys still like McLarens, this is one of the best ones to get.